Imagine a world where machines can predict our needs, solve complex problems, and even communicate with us in our own language. How would it change the way we live and work? Welcome to the thrilling world of artificial intelligence, or, as it's more commonly known, AI. This isn't the stuff of sci-fi novels anymore. AI is here, and it's transforming the world as we know it. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. This might sound simple, but don't be fooled. The complexities and capabilities of AI are astounding. AI can be broken down into several types, each with its unique potential. Machine learning, for example, is a type of AI that enables computers to learn from experience. It's like teaching a child to identify an apple by showing them different kinds of apples, until they can recognize it on their own. Then there's deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning. Picture a network of artificial neurons working together to solve complex problems, much like our brain. Let's not forget natural language processing, another fascinating AI technology. It's the reason machines can understand and respond to us in our language. Imagine having a conversation with your computer and it understands you perfectly. That's natural language processing at work. The potential of AI is immense. It can revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation and even entertainment. It's not just about creating smarter devices or software. AI has the potential to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. It's about creating a future where machines don't just work for us, but work with us. But as with any powerful technology, AI also brings challenges and questions. How do we ensure it's used ethically? How do we prevent it from being misused? These are complex issues that we need to address as we continue to advance in this field. The future of AI holds limitless possibilities, but how are these technologies currently being used, and what could we expect in the future? Let's delve deeper into the world of AI and find out. Healthcare is one of the sectors where AI has shown incredible potential. Let's delve into a case study that highlights the power of AI in this vital field. Consider the realm of disease prediction. AI software is transforming how we anticipate and tackle ailments. For instance, machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data, identifying patterns and risk factors that might elude the human eye. These algorithms can predict the likelihood of everything from heart disease to diabetes, often with striking accuracy. This early detection can be a game changer, allowing for prompt intervention and improved patient outcomes. Now let's shift our focus to the operating room. AI is not about to replace our skilled surgeons, but it's becoming an invaluable assistant. AI software can help plan intricate procedures using patient-specific data to map out the best surgical approach. During surgery, AI can provide real-time guidance, helping surgeons navigate complex anatomical structures and avoid potential complications. This fusion of human skill and artificial intelligence is enhancing surgical precision and patient safety. But the impact of AI in healthcare isn't confined to the clinical side, it's also revolutionizing patient care. AI-powered chatbots, for example, can handle routine inquiries, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on more complex cases. Machine learning algorithms can personalize treatment plans, taking into account a patient's unique characteristics and health history. And AI can even aid in managing chronic conditions with smart devices that monitor vital signs and alert patients and caregivers to potential issues. AI in healthcare is about harnessing the power of data, enhancing human capabilities, and ultimately improving lives. It's about making healthcare more proactive, precise, and personalized. And remember, AI in healthcare is just the tip of the iceberg. There are numerous other sectors where AI software is making a significant impact. So stay tuned as we continue our exploration of AI's transformative potential. The business sector is another area where AI is making waves. Let's dive into a case study that illustrates this point. Consider the story of a multinational corporation that embarked on the AI journey to revolutionize its operations. This corporation, let's call it Corporation X, decided to leverage AI software to predict market trends. By feeding historical market data and economic indicators into a machine learning algorithm, Corporation X was able to forecast future market movements with remarkable accuracy. This predictive power gave the company an edge over its competitors, allowing it to make strategic decisions based on data not just intuition. Next, Corporation X looked to AI for automating tasks. They implemented robotic process automation, or RPA, a type of AI software that automates repetitive tasks. This meant tasks that once took hours were now completed in minutes, freeing up time for employees to focus on more complex, value-added functions. It also resulted in significant cost savings for the company, as they could operate more efficiently with a leaner workforce. But Corporation X didn't stop there. They also used AI to improve customer service. They utilized natural language processing, another AI technique, to analyze customer feedback and understand their needs better. This allowed them to personalize their offerings and respond to customer inquiries more effectively. The result? Happier customers and a boost in brand loyalty. This case study underscores the transformative power of AI in the business sector. It can predict market trends, automate tasks, and even improve customer service. These capabilities are not just beneficial for the businesses themselves, but also for their customers, employees, and stakeholders. From healthcare to business, it's clear that AI software is changing the way we operate, but what does it mean for our future? The potential applications for AI software are vast and varied. Imagine a world where AI software could predict natural disasters with pinpoint accuracy, saving countless lives. Imagine a world where AI could accurately diagnose diseases even before symptoms begin to manifest. These aren't just pipe dreams, they're the future that AI software could make possible. As we look ahead, we see the potential for AI software to revolutionize various sectors. In education, for instance, AI could tailor learning to individual students' needs, making education more efficient and effective. In environmental conservation, AI could monitor ecosystems in real time, identifying threats and suggesting interventions before it's too late. But as with any technology, AI software has its potential pitfalls. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As AI becomes more proficient, there's a fear that it could replace human workers. But it's important to remember that technology has always been a job disruptor. Just as the Industrial Revolution led to the creation of new jobs, the AI revolution could do the same. We might see a shift in the job market with more emphasis on jobs that require human creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Privacy is another concern. AI's ability to gather and analyze massive amounts of data brings with it the risk of invasion of privacy. But again, we can turn to technology itself for solutions. With the right regulations and safeguards in place, we can ensure that AI is used responsibly. And then there's the question of AI's impact on society at large. AI has the potential to either exacerbate or alleviate societal inequalities. The direction it takes will largely depend on how it's developed and used. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits everyone, not just the privileged few. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI software, one thing is certain: the future is going to be exciting. AI software is more than just a buzzword. It's a technology that's already changing our lives in many ways. As we've journeyed through this exploration of AI software, we've touched upon its incredible potential and the revolutionary changes it's already bringing to our world. We've seen how it's reshaping healthcare, transforming the way we diagnose illnesses and treat patients. We've also looked at its impact in the business sector, where it's revolutionizing everything from customer service to data analysis. AI is not just about algorithms and code, it's about the ways these technologies can learn, adapt, and grow. From machine learning to natural language processing, we're witnessing a new era of innovation and progress. Yet, as we marvel at these advancements, we also acknowledge the challenges that come with them. AI software is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. Deploying AI comes with its own set of challenges, from ensuring data privacy and security to navigating ethical considerations. These challenges remind us that while AI offers tremendous potential, it isn't a magic wand. It requires careful management and responsible use. As we've seen, AI software is a powerful tool that can be harnessed across a wide range of sectors, from healthcare to business and beyond. It's a technology that's already making waves, and it's only set to grow in the years to come. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to explore, question, and understand these technologies. We need to ensure that as we harness the power of AI, we do so in a way that is ethical, responsible, and beneficial for all. As we embrace the AI revolution, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared for the changes that lie ahead. This is just the beginning of our journey into the future of AI software.